Hello and welcome to my channel, where I talk about everything from tech to lifestyle, and today, I'm going to be sharing 5 online side hustles that actually work in 2023. With the pandemic still lingering and the job market being uncertain, many people are turning to side hustles to make extra money. But with so many scams and get-rich-quick schemes out there, it can be difficult to know which side hustles are legitimate and worth your time. That's why I've done the research and gathered information on the best online side hustles that you can start in 2023. These side hustles require minimal investment and can be done from anywhere, making them ideal for those who want to earn extra cash on the side. So, without further ado, let's get started. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular and profitable online side hustles. In affiliate marketing, you promote other people's products and earn a commission for every sale you make. To start with affiliate marketing, you need to join an affiliate program. There are many affiliate programs available, such as Amazon Associates, Commission Junction, and ShareASale. Once you have joined an affiliate program, you can promote the products using your unique affiliate link. You can promote the products by creating a blog, YouTube channel, or social media accounts. You can also create an email list and promote the products to your subscribers. The key to success in affiliate marketing is to choose the right products to promote. You should choose products that are relevant to your audience and have a high commission rate. You should also promote products that you have used and trust. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is another popular online side hustle that you can start in 2023. In dropshipping, you create an online store and sell products without holding inventory. To start with dropshipping, you need to find a supplier who will dropship the products for you. You can find a supplier by using platforms such as AliExpress or Salehu. Once you have found a supplier, you can create an online store using platforms such as Shopify or WooCommerce. When a customer places an order on your online store, you forward the order to the supplier, who will then ship the product directly to the customer. You make a profit by charging a markup on the product price. The key to success in dropshipping is to choose the right products to sell. You should choose products that are popular and have a high profit margin. You should also choose a niche that you are passionate about. Online tutoring. Online tutoring is a great side hustle for those who have teaching experience or are knowledgeable in a particular subject. In online tutoring, you can teach students from around the world using platforms such as Skype or Zoom. To start with online tutoring, you need to create a profile on tutoring platforms such as TutorMe or VIPKid. You can also create your own website or advertise your services on social media platforms. You can teach a variety of subjects, including math, science, English, and languages. You can set your own rates and work as many hours as you want. The key to success in online tutoring is to have excellent communication skills and be knowledgeable in your subject. You should also be able to create engaging lessons that are tailored to each student's needs. Freelance writing. Freelance writing is a great side hustle for those who love to write and have excellent writing skills. In freelance writing, you can write articles, blog posts, or other types of content for clients. To start with freelance writing, you can create a profile on freelance platforms such as Upwork or Freelancer. You can also create your own website or advertise your services on social media platforms. The key to success in freelance writing is to have a strong portfolio that showcases your writing skills. You should also have good communication skills and be able to meet deadlines. You can write for a variety of clients, including businesses, magazines, and websites. You can specialize in a particular niche, such as technology, health, or finance, or you can write about a wide range of topics. The pay for freelance writing varies depending on the client and the type of content you write. However, it's possible to earn a good income from freelance writing if you're able to find consistent work. Online surveys. Online surveys are a simple and easy way to earn extra cash. Many companies pay people to take surveys that provide feedback on their products or services. To start with online surveys, you can sign up for survey websites such as Swagbucks, SurveyJunkie, or Vindale Research. Once you sign up, you'll receive surveys in your email that you can complete for cash or gift cards. The key to success in online surveys is to sign up for multiple survey websites and to be consistent in completing surveys. You won't make a full-time income from online surveys, but it's a great way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. So those are the top 5 online side hustles that actually work in 2023. Whether you're looking to earn a little extra cash or to start a new career, there are plenty of opportunities available online. The key to success in any online side hustle is to be consistent, have good communication skills, and to be knowledgeable in your niche. With hard work and dedication, you can turn your side hustle into a full-time income and achieve financial freedom. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Here are some additional tips that can help you succeed in your online side hustle. Stay organized, keep track of your clients, deadlines, and income using a spreadsheet or a project management tool. This will help you stay on top of your work and ensure that you're meeting your goals. Network, connect with other people in your niche and build relationships with potential clients. Attend online events, participate in forums, and join social media groups to expand your network. Be professional, treat your online side hustle like a business. Respond to clients promptly, deliver high-quality work, and maintain a professional demeanor at all times. Learn new skills, keep learning and improving your skills to stay competitive. Take courses, attend webinars, and read industry blogs to stay up to date with the latest trends and techniques. Stay motivated, set realistic goals and track your progress to stay motivated. Celebrate your achievements and don't be discouraged by setbacks or failures. In conclusion, online side hustles are a great way to earn extra cash or start a new career. With the right skills, tools, and mindset, you can succeed in any of the 5 online side hustles I've mentioned in this video. Remember, success doesn't come overnight, but with hard work, dedication, and persistence, you can achieve your goals and live the life you want. So, start your online side hustle today and take control of your financial future. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.